here is how you can easily create a search bar intro, just like this, using just your smartphone and using the app called Inshot. So the first thing you need to do is open your Inshot app, which is this. I'm going to open it right now. It is going to bring you to an interface like this. Immediately you open the app, then the next thing is to tap on video. After tapping on video, tap on the new. When you tap on new, go to material. Material is at the right hand side top here. Tap on material and it is going to bring out different material that is available on Inshot app. So you can then go to intro. Under intro, when you scroll down, you are going to see different features that you can use, different animated stuffs that you can use to create your video. So we are trying to create a search bar intro, so we are going to tap on it. This is it here, 6 seconds. So after tapping on it and it's opened like this, you tap on the Inshot watermark to free remove it, or to watch ads. If your data is on, it's going to ask you to watch an ad to remove the watermark. So after removing the watermark, the next thing is to go to your canvas and select the preferred size. If you are going to use it as an intro for YouTube video, then 16:9 is okay. But if you are going to use this for TikTok or any other social media platform, then you need to change the size here. So 9:16 is for TikTok, there's the Instagram, the IGTV. So I'm just going to select the TikTok size here. So after selecting it, I mark it and okay, we already have our search bar template here. The next thing now is to tap on text. Let's play it a little forward, and as soon as it appears, you pause it. Let's go to when it starts appearing. Then you tap on text and you input the name you want it to do as if it is searching. Let's say tutorials tech blog. Then you can quickly edit the text if you want any other color or whatever color you want it to be, but I think I'll just go with white. It's okay, the white color is okay. Then you go to this 3 circle that are shaking, which is the animation. These 3 circle changing faces, the animation. Then you select the first animation at the single letter. When you select it, then you can move the timer forward a bit, then you mark it. Now it is time to use your hand to adjust the text so that it will fit into the search bar. So let's see what we've actually done. So we extend this text to the video end. So after extending it to the end, let's watch what you just did again. Okay, it's still not perfect. Let's just use the one to set it up a bit. Okay, nope. Okay, let me move it forward. So you just use your hand to set it to the extent that it will rhyme. That is, you will allow the search bar to show then your text. Okay, so let me move it back a bit. I think it's okay this way. So here is it. Then if you want it to be 6 seconds, you leave it at 6, but yeah, I think it's okay at 6. So here is how to add the effect. So the next thing is to add the effect, the typing effect that is there. So I've downloaded a typing effect to my gallery. All I need to do now is just to search it out, which is typewriter. Okay, this sound is okay. So let's see. I think it's okay this way. Nope. Let's just. So you just have to fit the sound effect in so that it's going to fit in. Then after fitting in the sound effects, boom, you have your intro ready. Here is our intro that we just created. So I can go ahead now and save it and use it for any of my next projects, use it for anything I want to use it for. So this is just a simple way on how to create the search bar intro using your Inshot app for free.